Hi, my name is Naima Bremer, Global Artistry Ambassador for Fenty Beauty. And today we're here at Paris Fashion Week and we're backstage at Feng Chen Wang. All right, darling, you look beautiful. I'm gonna give you a little bit of summertime wine.
Yeah.
So I've been a makeup artist for over a decade, professionally. I would say I started doing makeup when I was 14. I have the photos to prove it. So yeah, I've been doing makeup basically for a really long time. And I kind of have that cliche story where I would just steal my mom's makeup every chance I had, and now she steals my makeup all the time. So Fenty Beauty is just that perfect artistry brand. They have so many great high quality products that you can play with. So we use the Soft Lit foundation today, which is such a beautiful foundation. It is so versatile. I love to use this actually on red carpet. We use it today here backstage, and you can really get that perfect, beautiful, luminous base that is hydrating, long wearing. Then we also use the Fenty Icon today, which is a really versatile product as well. You can use this on not only on your lips, on your eyes, on your cheeks, and you can just really play with it, and it has a really high color payoff.
Hi, my name is Minnie. I'm backstage at the show, and you know I got some Fenty on my skin.
I hope to bring my creativity to Fenty Beauty. I love doing things that are just a little bit out of the box. So for example, today we added kind of like a special effects element on top of the beauty look that we did. We did a beautiful cracking mud like on the eyes and on the lips. So I just love to bring like a little element of, you know, fantasy. That's why we love fashion, right? So it was always just so strange to me that I could not find a good high quality performing product for my skin tone and my mother's skin tone, my auntie's skin tones. When Fenty Beauty first launched, I think that we, for the first time, all felt seen and heard. So Fenty Beauty really has that perfect shade for every single skin tone. Okay, cut.